Caviahue, the city of Neuquén that borders Copahue, has been experiencing an intense snowstorm for days that has already exceeded 20 centimeters above the surface. However, beyond how picturesque a snowy landscape is and what it means for tourism in some provinces of Argentina, strong storms also bring complications and also some curious stories. Gustavo, a nurse and resident of one of the cities best known for its natural hot springs, tried this Thursday to leave his house, like any other day, to go to work. But his routine was upset. This time, he found a white wall on the other side of his door. He had to literally dig a tunnel to be able to go outside before walking the 5 blocks that separate him from the health center where he attends. Subscribe to the channel and keep abreast of natural changes on the planet.